Do you want full control over closing tabs in Safari on your iPhone? Instead of having the system automatically delete them after a certain period, you can set an option to close them manually whenever you want. In this video, I'll show you how to enable manual tab closing in Safari and take control of your browsing experience. Watch until the end to find out how. So, to start, go to your phone's home screen, find the Settings app, and open it. Once you're in Settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen, where you'll see the Apps option. Tap on it to open. In the Apps section, you'll find a list of all installed apps on your device. Now, you need to find the Safari app. To save time searching through other apps, simply tap on the search bar at the top of the screen, type Safari, and then tap on the Safari app from the search results. Once you're on the Safari settings page, you will see several options. Scroll down, find the Tabs section, and then look for the Close Tabs option within that section. Tap on it. After opening this option, you will see a list of available tab closing settings. By default, Safari can automatically close tabs after 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month. However, if you want to close them manually, select the Manually option. Once you do this, your tabs will remain open until you close them yourself. After setting this up, simply exit the menu. The change will take effect immediately. And that's it. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel MobiTechStar for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.